Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to be personalizing my server book for my new job. The server book is just plain black, but I wanted to make it a little bit different so that the people that I work with, if somehow it gets mixed in with their server books, it doesn't get confused with everybody else's. And I also just wanted to personalize it and make it fun and unique and different. So I'm gonna use alcohol ink on it to personalize it. I'm going to use my favorite colors, which is pink, blue, and purple, and I'm going to make it fun. It's going to probably look pretty cool in Galaxy, which is very much on brand for me, so I think it's going to turn out pretty cool. So that's what we're going to do, and let's just get to it. So for alcohol inks, I use Tim Holtz Glacier, Gumball, Indigo, Laguna, Fiesta, and I also used Brie Reese Purple. And then last but not least, I also used Pinata's Blanco. This is the most important part. And then I also used a little dropper and a straw. So as you can see, I put the little dropper into the white ink to get it ready. And then I just start going into it, just doing whatever I see fit. Right here, I don't know if I'm using Fiesta or Gumball, but I'm using one of the two of them. And then I use Laguna. Pretty much just taking whatever color I feel like looks like it should fit in that space, and I just put it down. And then, as you can see, I take the white ink, and this is where the magic happens. When you put the white ink into the color, it reveals the color and then also creates a cool swirl effect, which is just so cool and so much fun to watch. It's always unpredictable what it's going to do, but it's pretty just about probably every single time. So I love playing with this stuff. It's so much fun because it's different every time. It's so unique. As you can see, I kind of put it into time-lapse just because it does take so long that this video would have been probably like 30 minutes, of just me doing this. So we put it into time-lapse, and it's kind of fun watching it in time-lapse. It kind of reveals like kind of how it changes over time. It's really cool, and it's so pretty. I love how this turned out. Alright, so as you can see here, this is Mod Podge Dishwasher Safe. That's what I use to kind of cover the server book, just because I am around, liquid, food, and stuff like that. I wanted to make sure that it was protected on the outside, and if I ever needed to clean it off, that it was dishwasher safe, so hopefully it'll wipe off and not ruin the design, because I'd be very, very sad if that happened. So that's why we use that. But as you can see, I'm just kind of brushing it on there, trying to make it as neat as possible. It's a thin layer. I didn't record every single coat that I did, but I did put 2 coats total on the whole server book, on the front and the back, the sides, everywhere. So I very much recommend this if you guys try this at all, just to make sure it is sealed and hopefully nothing will happen to it. Alright, and this is the result. I think it turned out so pretty. It kind of looks like a galaxy. Like I said, it's so on brand for me, the pinks and the purples and the blues. So I love it so much. I am so excited to almost just show this off when I'm taking people's orders. I think it's gonna be so cool. Alright guys, so that was it. That was me decorating this server book for my new job. and I think it turned out pretty cool. As you guys can see, this is the side that we did in fact decorate together. The side also turned out pretty cool. As you can see, it kind of mixed, colors kind of mixed a little bit right here, and I think it looks really cool. This back side I did not record myself doing, just because this was actually just practice, seeing if it would even, what my idea would even work. And when I saw that it did work, I decided to record the front side. So this back side here, you did not see me to decorate on camera, but this side we did decorate together. So I think it turned out pretty cool. I really like how it turned out. And now, you know, when I have to take down any notes, I got this here. It's gonna look really cute when I pull this out and be like, you know, jotting down notes or whatever I need to jot down. So yeah, I'm really happy with how this turned out. I think it looks awesome. It looks like a galaxy, which is very much me, and these colors are very much me. So anyway, but I love how it turned out. But that's pretty much it. That was me decorating the server book for my new job. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Give it a like if you liked it. I hope to see you guys in the next video. All right, bye.